What is your hair issue? Hair loss or retarded growth? This is how your hair looks, but this is actually your dream hair. I have the solution for you. Today we are going to be doing a hair tonic using onion peels. Yes, you heard me right, onion peels. And trust me, after watching this video you won't throw your onion peels away. These are the benefits of onion and garlic peels from Google, so you can read that. Pause the video and read it. So today we are going to be doing this technique. If your hair is dull, dry, excessive hair loss, then this is actually your solution. Onion is packed with sulfur that can help reduce hair loss. So our next ingredient is going to be cloves. You all know the amazing works of clove, and I have thousands of videos. I know I'm exaggerating, but I have a lot of videos on cloves. Then rosemary. I have a number of videos too on rosemary. You can check them out on my channel. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification button so you don't miss a video from me. If you're already a G, you're welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite girl, Sylvia. Please don't forget to like the video, share, and also leave a comment in the comment section. So after bringing all our ingredients together, we are just going to boil it until it's brown. And please note, if you are allergic to onion, you're not supposed to use this. Don't use it. And if you cannot bear the scent, the smell, please add a bit of lemon juice or rose water, and it's going to take the smell away. When the water turns brown, sieve it, cool it down, and use it to rinse your hair or spray your hair. So you can either use it as a hair rinse, then leave it in your hair for some minutes, then you spray it, then you wash it off, or you spray your hair with it, leave it in your hair overnight or for some minutes, then wash it off. So fam, this is all I have for you today. Until I see you in my next video. Bye.